Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Devanshee with a new video of science inside our earth. Okay, इसमें आपको टोटल मिल जाएंगे 3 पार्ट इसके. ओके, बट ये हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट है. अभी यार पहले हम लोग अर्थ इनसाइड द अर्थ बात करेंगे. तो अर्थ क्या है? अर्थ हमारा होमलैंड है. ओके, इट्स अ डायनेमिक प्लैनेट. इट्स अ यूनिक प्लैनेट. इट्स ओनली हैव life. Okay, and in this video we are going to see its inside changes, because we all know what's the changes going upside on our world, our land, but what's the changes going occurring inside our earth, we will see this. Okay, so now here you can see two images. One is of earth and one is onion. So now they will be right that why is onion picture here? Earth means inside the earth, that's why earth is here. But why onion? So why onion? Because as you can see the layers. When we peel an onion, it makes like this only. Now it is visible like this. Now if you can see, so it's forming some layers, right? So inside the earth, same layers, not the same, but yeah, this type of layers are only formed, like you can see here in the earth image. Okay, so that's why you can compare a earth as an onion. Okay, now inside our earth there are many layers. There are total 3 layers: crust, mantle, core. Now here this blue lines, that means our crust. Now this layer which is highlighted by an arrow is mantle. Okay, now the third layer is core. Okay, this is the lower mantle and this is the upper. Here I will write here the upper one. Okay, so here we written it upper mantle, and now it is the lower mantle. Okay, it's the lower mantle. Now this one is again a lower core. Okay, there are 3 layers: crust, mantle and core. So in core and mantle there are two, one lower and upper. So as you seen that the upper core and lower core. So here it is upper core. Upper mantle and lower mantle. So it's also upper mantle, upper core and lower core. So this is the upper. It's the upper core, and that was the lower core. Okay. Now we put it in. It's a upper core. Okay, now crust. First we'll study about crust. Now here you can see this upper line which is shown by this arrow. It's known as crust. It's the thinnest of all the layers. Okay, the uppermost layer of over the crust, earth's surface, means the earth. We have this earth. So this uppermost surface is called as crust. It's also known as lithosphere. Okay, and it's the thinnest layer of earth. Okay, this crust is also divided into 2 parts. Okay, not the upper and lower. Means in crust only there are 2 parts: continental crust and oceanic crust. Now continental crust. First I will here you can see this type of diagram. Okay, now this one is the ocean one. So this one area is the land where we live. So this land where we live is called as continental crust. Now ocean, where is ocean? So in the ocean also there is a land below at some point. So that point of land is known as the oceanic crust. Okay. Now the crust is the thinnest of the all. The crust volume is 5% and the length of the crust is 35 kilometer. The mantles volume is 16% and the length is 2900 kilometers, and the core volume is 83% and the length is 3436, means 3436 किलोमीटर. सबसे ज्यादा डीप लेंथ किसकी है, मतलब सबसे ज्यादा लेंथ किसकी है, कोर की. ओके, एंड सबसे ज्यादा वॉल्यूम भी किसकी है, कोर की. Now, as I told you, Earth is the thinnest one, so it's proved here. Now we'll study about the mantle and all. Now, as I told you about the continental crust, oceanic crust, the same is here. Now, crust is about 35 kilometer on the continental masses and only 5 kilometer on the oceanic. ओके मतलब ये जो ओशन वाला साइड है यहाँ पे जो है यहाँ पे से 5 किलोमीटर है पर जो कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट है 35 किलोमीटर की है मैंने जो आपको भी बताया ना उसका लेंथ 35 किलोमीटर वो कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट का है ओशनिक क्रस्ट किससे बनी है सिलिका और मैग्नीशियम से और इसे हम बोल सकते हैं सीमा अब हम सबको पता है कि मैग्नीशियम का जो फॉर्मूला है वो Mg होता है लेकिन यहाँ पर उसका नाम आ सके इसलिए उसको Me लिखा हुआ है और कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट किससे बनती है सिलिका एंड एल्यूमिनियम एल्यूमिना से और उसका फॉर्मूला है Si+Al विच इज सियाल ओके अब इसमें मैं एक और चीज बता दूं कि जो ओशियनिक क्रस्ट है वो ज्यादा भारी होती है एज कम्पेयर टू द कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट मतलब अगर मैं आपको इतना बड़ा थर्माकोल का एक शीट दे दूं तो आप वो ज्यादा इजीली उठा लोगे कि इतना छोटा सा एक मेटल का बक्सा ऑफ कोर्स यू विल थर्माकोल वन व्हाई बिकॉज थर्माकोल इज लाइटर हाँ वो बड़ा है पर लाइटर है और जो हमारा जो बक्सा है मेटल का लोहे का वो क्या है भारी है छोटा है पर भारी सो सेम इज हियर नाउ मेंटल एज आई टोल्ड यू इट्स of 2,900 kilometer. Up the mantle is just beneath the crust. The crust floats on the mantle. Crust जो है वो semi liquid form में होता है. Okay guys. अब core. The innermost layer is the core. core जो है वो सबसे innermost layer है. यहाँ पे आप देख ही सकते हैं. ये है हमारी crust. Then is the mantle and now it's the core. नाउ आप कोर में आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे एक आउटर कोर है और यहाँ पे एक इनर भी कोर है ओके सो द इनरमोस्ट लेयर इज द कोर with a radius of about 3,500 kilometer. Okay, its radius is 3,500 kilometer to the crust. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron and is called knife. इसका short form. How? निकल एंड आयरन का जो मतलब ग्रीक नेम है वो फेरोस सो इट कैन बी Fe and nickel and I so it means knife okay the central core has very high temperature means this central core this one is having very high temperature guys now the interesting fact the deepest mine in the world here will be a space I forgot to put it sorry for that yeah so the deepest mine in the world is in South Africa it is about 4 kilometers deep in search for oil engineers have dug a hole about 6 kilometers deep to reach to the center of the earth which is not possible at all you will have to dig a hole of 6,000 kilometers deep on the ocean floor okay from the ocean floor you have to dig it 6,000 kilometers okay so now the deepest drill was also known as it was in Kola one okay so thank you for watching guys kindly like subscribe and share press the bell icon and do not forget to comment on the video I will be back with the part 2 of this chapter. In the part 2, we will study about the rocks and minerals. So, thank you. Just a minute. Bye.